Good morning, children. Open 107, page number 107. Mathematics, class 1, subject maths, lesson number 3, money and time, page number 107, word problem. Solve the problems. First one, Rahul's father gave him 10 rupees. He bought chocolate for 5 rupees. What is the balance left with him? Rahul's father gave him 10 rupees. How much amount he has given? 10 rupees. Rahul's father gave him rupees 10. For a chocolate, how much? For a chocolate, 5 rupees. So, what is the balance left with him? Balance is 5 rupees. What balance? Or what is the balance left with him? 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So, write the balance is 5 rupees. Next one. Hema's mother gave her 15 rupees and her father gave rupees 20. How much money did she get altogether? Hema's mother gave her 15 rupees. Hema's mother gave her rupees 15 and father gave rupees 20. What is the total amount, or how much money did she get altogether? Hema's mother rupees 15 and father rupees 20. All together, add this one. All together 15 plus 20 equals to 35. All together it's 35 rupees. Next one. Sunil rupees 73 and Mukesh had rupees 58 for buying a stationery product. Who had the more? Sunil had rupees 73 and Mukesh had 58 for buying a stationery product. Who had more? So 73 minus 58, we get 15. So 15 more means Sunil had more rupees, that is 15 rupees. Next, Hari had rupees 80 with him. He bought a toy car for rupees 45. How much money was left with him? Hari had 80 rupees and he bought toy car for rupees 45. Hari had rupees 80 and toy car for its 45. How much money he left? Minus 80 minus 45 equals to 35. The money left with him is 35 rupees. Next, E. Shashi buys fruits for rupees 55 and sweets for 35. How much money has she spent in all? Shashi buys for fruits for 55 and for sweets it's 35. How much money she spent in all? So add 55 plus 35. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Right here 9. 55 plus 35 is equal to 90. Next, F. 1 banana cost 1 rupee. How many bananas can you buy if you give a 10 rupees note to the fruit seller? See, 1 banana cost is rupees 1. Means 1 banana is equal to 1 rupee. If you give an 10 rupees note to the fruit seller, for a fruit seller if you gave 10 rupee note, means how much bananas you will get? You will get 10 bananas. Because 1 rupee is equal to 1 banana, then 10 banana is equal to 10 rupees. 1 banana is equal to 1 rupees. So 10 banana is equal to 10 rupees. So we will get 10 bananas. Next, one book cost is rupees 28. I gave a shopkeeper a rupees 50 note. How much money will he return to me? One book cost is 20 rupees. I gave shopkeeper for 50 rupees note. So 50 minus 28. You have a 50 rupees note. For a shopkeeper you given 28. So minus 50 minus 28 is equal to 22. 0 minus 8 means it's 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. So 22 we will return. Next, exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Here some things are there. Helicopter rupees 50, toffee paise 50 for 50 paise, ball for rupees 7, chocolate for rupees 2, pen for rupees 2, kite for rupees 3, bat for rupees 25, book for rupees 12, car for rupees 5, ludo for rupees 10. Look at this shop and answer the questions. What cost the most? Here which cost is highest? What cost the most? 50. So write helicopter. Helicopter is the what cost the most? Helicopter. So write here helicopter. What cost the least? What cost the least? See, all are rupees, only this toffee is a paise. So how many paise? 50 paise. So toffee has the least cost. So write here toffee. Next, see, which two things have the same price? Which two things have the same price? Pen is for 2 rupees and chocolate is also for 2 rupees. Pen and chocolate. So write here pen and chocolate. Next, what cost is less than 1 rupee? What cost is less than 1 rupee? Toffee is less than 1 rupee because it's 50 paise. So write toffee. Next one, what things cost more than 20 rupees? More than 20 rupees the things cost. Bat and helicopter. These are the more than 20 rupees. Bat and helicopter. So write here bat and helicopter. Next one, F. How much will you have to pay if you buy the following? If you want to buy the following, how much you will pay for this? A bat and a ball. A bat, where is the bat? A bat is for 20 rupees. Sorry, bat is for 25 and ball is for 7. 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. How much will you pay if you have to pay if you are buying the following? So we should add this one, bat and ball. A bat and ball cost is rupees 32. Write here 32. Next one. A notebook and a pen. Notebook. A notebook and a pen. 12 rupees plus pen is for 2 rupees. Notebook and pen. Add this one. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 as it is. 14 rupees. So write here 14 rupees. 2 toffees. 2 toffees. 1 toffee is 50 paise. 2 toffees. One toffee is 50 paise. 2 toffees means 50 plus 50. 100 paise. 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. 100 paise is equals to 1 rupee. So write here 1 rupee. A toy plane and a toy car. Toy plane and a toy car. Toy car is for rupees 5 and toy plane. Toy plane is for 50. So add. A toy plane and a toy car. 50 plus 5. 55. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 as it is 5. So 55. Write here 55. A kite and a ludo. Kite is rupees 3 and ludo is rupees 10. Add 3 plus 10. 3 plus 10, 13. So answer is 13. 3 plus 0, 3, 1 as it is. So amount is 13. Write here rupees 13.